We reached our goal! Hi everybody, welcome back. We are going to draw for our second goal. We reached this just the other day, just yesterday, of 975 subscribers. And I have my youngest daughter, Hailee, here. She's gonna be my volunteer and go ahead and pull the names. I've added all of the names that we got between the last drawing and this drawing. I've added them to all the names from the first drawing. So if you were in the first drawing, you're still in there hoping to be pulled. So let's see who gets the goodies this time. And we're gonna draw three winners this time, not just one or two.
James Swanson, 2117.
Woohoo! Okay.
There's that one. Oh. Robert Erlstad, 6888.
Roberta Rolstad.
Oh my gosh.
That's okay. Yay!
Thank you. I like this one. Rosalind Parsons, 8415.
Woohoo! Okay, so if you heard your name, so James Swanson, Roberta Rolstad, or Rosalind Parsons, check in the description of the video for the email that you need to send your mailing address information to, and then I'll get your goodies sent off to you right away. Thanks so much, everybody. We really appreciate your support, and I look forward to making it to 1,000 subscribers so that we can send out some more goodies. Thanks so much. Have a great day.